That is right. El Toro Loco. The scoring is open. Judgeszone.com.
صوتونا على judges.com واستخدم الكود UAE.
Blake Granger, El Toro Loco, spinning it out there. I mean, he might be a little bit dizzy. I don't know.
يا ربي أنا قدرت عنها.
Take a look at the replay. He gets off of his tires. You know what they call that? They call that a cyclone. You see that? Where they start...
Cyclone.
Because all the tires start moving off, and then you see,
wow.
boom! Just the flame flying right